You know, one thing I love about spring, or about the reality of spring, that it brings forth life in the springtime. Like my cactus here is blooming now, so it let me know this is the life season. And it starts off real small, man, and then they get bigger. Like this one bloomed the other day, and now it'll die off. And this one bloom, and then this one will bloom, and then it'll die off. And my little small one down here blooming. But it just make you think of some things about life, man, that, you know, just for instance, I was born in the spring. My birthday is the March of 29th. And, March and April is life, produces life. You know what I mean? The beginning of something. And it just make you think about things about life, man, about how to look at what's existing to know that you can't get life out of something that's dead.